So we're in Fresno, California, just finished installing a Moen faucet. This is the Moen Etch, the S7260 SRS. That's a spot resistant stainless, and the homeowner provided that. So Moen, excellent product. We prefer setting Moen products. Their customer service is #1. And anyway, so they have this little integrated pull down sprayer in the back, this little lip right there. You can pull it out of there, but it hides it, so it's kind of neat. I like it. You know, you don't see many faucets that you know, that are very nice looking. So anyways, that's installed, integrated supply lines on the faucet itself. So we've been out here previously and set some quarter turn shutoff valves, hot and then 2 cold. You got a cold line that kind of feeds over to the ice maker. So if you want to put filtration in here, you know, filter will go through it, and then you can provide up to the sink and then also over to your refrigerator for water and ice, whatnot. So that's all our work, and the 3/8 all that. Integrated supply lines on the faucet. So they come down, they're already connected at the factory. They come down, tying into the hot and the cold. Got the weight on there. So, I mean, everything looks good down here. We didn't anticipate any problems with it. Usually we got to look and make sure that things aren't dripping down there when we get done, but everything has already been replaced, so you're in good shape. Anyways, everything. And it docked real well. Yeah. So we're here in Fresno, California. Now we're in the master bath, and you've got this little 3662 EP in oil rub bronze. It's the Engage 6-function handheld shower. And so we've got it installed in the bathroom. We'll take pictures, but we wanted to document this because we've got a video of the kitchen, the work we did in there, and then a video of the bathroom. And so this is going to be good for your warranty if you don't have the documentation. You can use our receipt saying, yeah, you know, we bought it, and then the professional licensed plumbing contractor installed it. So that's what we've got up here. That's the only work that we did in here, but it's got a nice magnetic docking system. Pull that off there. So that guy you just reach up there and just kind of let it grab, and it sticks into place. That's nice. It functions real well, and so that's a nice upgrade from the other faucet that was installed. So everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done. Trying to stay out of my picture.